Hello beautiful people, you're welcome to another sewing tutorial. Now these capes are what we'll be learning how to make today. Kindly like this video if you find it interesting. Very quick and short tutorial. This tutorial is about the dress on the thumbnail, so we're going to be learning how to cut and sew that drape, the long drape on the thumbnail. I already have my dress here that I've made. Now I have turned the armhole of this dress with a bias, yeah, because I need to turn it so that when we have an opening here, it will be very neat on the client's body. Yeah, so this is what we are going to use. This pattern, this is just a dress. The length of this dress, because we'll be fixing the cape on the shoulder here, from the shoulder, so we need to get the measurements for this dress. Now after measuring like this, what I have is 44, yeah, 44 inches is what I have. So because the cape will be stopping at the same length of the dress. Now how do you sew the cape on it? You're just going to measure from your shoulder point here to where you want the cape to stop on the body. Now I want to do 5 inches from here to here, so that the remaining part here is the armhole where will be open. The cape will not get to that place. So now I have 5 inches. So 5 times 2, because by the time you measure from here round to the other side, you will have 10 inches. So 10 inches is what we are going to be cutting. The same thing too for this side. So 5 inches. I'm just going to use my chalk now to just indicate where the 5 inches is going to stop. The next thing we'll be doing now is to cut our cape. So I'll drop this dress aside. Now I'm going to be using this chiffon for the cape. This is a 2 yards chiffon. So the way I open it like this, guys, you're going to be folding it into 2. So guys, this place that is on fold, that's where we are going to start our measurements from. My client wants the cape to be pleated, like she wants it to be pleated. We are going to be doubling our measurement. We have 10, so we're going to be doing 20. You're going to place your tape here. We'll be cutting in a 360-degree form. We'll be cutting in a cycle. I'm going to place my tape like this, and I'll mark 15 inches like this. Now you also mark your 15 inches on your side here. 15. So you start placing it in a cycle. Keep marking 15 like this, the way I'm doing like this. So after marking this circle, so let's check if we have 20. What I have here is more than 20. I have 24, but I'm going to leave it like that because it's something we'll be pleating, so we need enough pleats. So I'm going to place my tape like this, and I'll measure 45 inches. So I'll keep marking 45 round. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm going to be marking 45. So you place like this, and you mark what you want. You also place like this. I wish you can see the down parts, but we all know what I am doing. So I'm going to be cutting it. So I'll be cutting from here first like this. Now I've cut this one off. I am now cutting it into two, cutting this side into two. So guys, this is it after cutting it into two. I'm going to take the dress now, and I'll take one of these. I'll just get the midpoint and I'll notch it. So after notching this, guys, I'll be sewing this side. I'll just hem it. You can fold it into two, or you fold once, but I think I'll be folding into two so that it will not lose. So I'll fold into two and I'll sew it down. I'll do the same thing on this side, on the other side. You're going to place it like this. Yeah, so from this your middle shoulder, you place this one, then you're going to pleat it till you get to the 5 inches here. You make sure everything here enters. You pleat it till you get here. When you get to this other side too, you're going to pleat it till you get here. But before you pleat, let me go and sew this place. Let me sew it down, the two sides. Then I'll come back and show you guys. This is it. This fabric is too light, but I just have to manage it like that for this tutorial, for the purpose of this tutorial. Now you can see that I have hemmed the sides, the two sides, yeah, and I've also notched the middle. So that is what I said I'll be doing. So the next thing now is to now take our fabric. Now I have fixed one on the other hand. I just want to show you how I would do the second one. So you're going to take, remember the place you sew, so that you will not go and put it on the outer part. Yeah, so the way it is like this, now it's going to be like right side to right side, right side to right side. Now I have my notched part. This is the middle, so I'm going to place it like this. I'll put it on the middle, on this shoulder line here. Then I'm going to pleat all to the place I use my chalk to mark, the 5 inches. Yeah, so I'm going to sew, and whatever excess I have, I'll just pleat it inward so that everything can go in. I'll also do the same thing for the back side. So let me do that and I'll show you the finished product. This is what it is looking like.